Welcome back to my channel, Count Your Blessings. Today I'm going to try and clean my room, which has become a hoarding room, and let's see how it goes. As a disclaimer, I would like to tell you that this room has collected stuff for about 7 years, and I'm going to try to clean it now. So wish me luck. Are you ready to see it? This is my room, which I'm not using currently, and as you can see, it is not in usable condition. There's stuff all over. I actually tried cleaning it once. I'm not sure how many years back, and you can see the garbage bag there. The DIY I tried. That's my bookcase, and you can actually see how I've tried to corral all my craft supplies. October 2013. Oh my. Look at the state of the bed. I did once try to clear out this dressing room and started painting it and left it halfway through. Okay, so let's see what we can do with this mess. 7 years of collected clutter, decluttered in, let's hope to do it in 7 days. Wish me luck. My clothes cupboard, and I'm not storing much clothes in it, so I thought I actually wanted to create a craft space in this room. So while I'm cleaning, I thought I'll just stack them up in this cupboard so that it'll be 2 work in 1. Started at 3, now it's around 4:45. And I have this bag with cushions and soft toys which need to be washed. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 garbage bags with stuff that need to be thrown away. I had this bag of baby clothes that I have to show to my mother. And I'm calling it the end of today. So let's continue it next time again. Well, that was taken way back in March 20th to be precise. and then the lockdown happened. And I was stuck at home, so couldn't do it. So let me now show you the horrible surprise that awaited me when I went to do the job again in September. Can you guess what the damage was? The horrible surprise that awaited me? Well, it was termites. They had gotten onto my bookcase, I don't know how, I don't know when, and had destroyed almost the entire bookcase. All my collections of books were all gone, and the worst part was my parents' wedding album was in this cupboard, and the termites had also gotten into it and almost destroyed it completely. That is one thing that I cannot replace at all. You can see that the bouquet is almost gone. The doors are all coming off. Here's another close-up of the damage. We removed everything that was in the bookcase, and there was a lot of dust. And anything that was paper or cardboard was totally gone. Glass or metal, it was saved. So my craft supplies were saved, but almost all my storybooks were gone. And this was how the place looked like behind my sofa, and these were the garbage bags at the end of the day. This was the state of the room. We had to clear up the room in order to remove the bookcase. And we did put some cockroach hit, some termite spray. And then we removed the glass so that none of it will fall on our heads. Started the cleaning work again. And I lost track of how many days it took. And voila, the room was almost clean. You can see the damage caused by the termites. False ceiling in my room, and the shelf had almost come down a little bit due to the termites. Thankfully my table was saved, and finally I can see my bed. And here is where everything got stored, in my dressing room. These are the things that I kept, and I have to look at them, sort them out on another day. Finally, we took down the bookcase, a little tap, and it came down in pieces. You can see how swiftly the wood became. And since it was attached to the wall with some nails, a little bit of elbow grease was needed to take it down. But it took around 3.5 minutes
to bring the entire bookcase down. I'll sped up the process for you. And then we broke it down into smaller pieces to easily shift it out. And then we cleared the room. Just swept that place out. This is the passage that night. Everything stored away to be taken out. And this is the room after it was swept. And thank you for watching. Until next time, take care. God bless. Bye-bye. Smile Jesus loves you. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye. Come again to see the remaining part of this, part 2, coming up soon. Bye-bye.